how to be the best kicker, how to get better than Jean-Claude Van Damme, aka Jean-Claude Van Fraud. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you like this kind of content, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, smash the notification so you don't miss out on nothing. Now that said, yes, how to kick better than Jean-Claude Van Damme. Funny thing, Jean-Claude Van Damme, Jean-Claude is French, but Van Damme is Dutch, just like me. And it's pronounced Van Damme with an F, like a fanboy. Van Damme, not Van Damme. So Van Damme be lying about how to pronounce his name. You don't believe me? Click on the link above. You will see him explaining 2 ways to pronounce it. Neither one which is accurate, okay? Now, let's get started with this video. I'm gonna give you guys a bonus because it's the beginning of the video. And I'm gonna give you guys an extra bonus at the end. Stay to the end of the video. Now, this said, yes, I kick better than Van Damme. And I'm gonna expose to you guys how, the basics of what you gotta do if you wanna kick better than Van Damme is simple. All you need to do is learn how to do all the kicks he does with the left leg. Why? Because he cannot kick with left. You didn't know that, did you? For example, one of the things he likes to do is the Van Damme kick followed up by the jump roundhouse this way. And it's the same leg, it's right leg. Watch right leg. Right leg. Atta! That's a Van Damme kick. Comes in this direction. Then he'll do the jump roundhouse. Bah! And then it looks like he's kicking in both directions. But if you guys can think logically, he's kicking with the same fucking leg. Now, does he kick with left? Yes, he does sometimes. Sometimes. But what kicks does he do with left? I'm going to expose that here. The only kicks he does with left is the shitty axe kick, the Michael J. White axe kick he does. He does the shitty axe kick. Time cop and double team. In double team, when he's fighting the Asian guy and he gets his foot with the knife stuck against the wall, right here, Van Damme does this axe kick to get the leg down. He goes like this. Doesn't touch the chest. It doesn't go up like this. It only goes here to here, which is the equivalent of going this far into a side split. It's not impressive at all. That's one kick he does with left. He also does that kick in time cop. Okay, in time cop, he kicks the guy's stick out of his hand the same way. He doesn't even lower. He does it like this high. Last but not least, the second kick he does with left is the normal roundhouse kick. Crow Cop does this kick with left. He was motivated by Van Damme, so the only kick Van Damme does with left is actually the kick Crow Cop ended up being famous for. So he'll do it only to set up the right spin kick. It'll look like this. Okay? So these are the only 2 kicks Van Damme does with left. He does a crappy axe kick and an okay-ish left roundhouse kick. Other than that, all the rest of his kicks are with the right leg. Literally all of them, okay? So what does this mean? This means that he's not even at the level of a first-degree Taekwondo black belt. Never mind second, third, fourth like I am. He's not at my level, not even close. Jean-Claude Van Damme's level is somewhere under my fucking feet. You guys see that KO tattoo I have here? That's from knocking all the people that I've knocked out with that leg. Yeah. He's somewhere below this tattoo. And his son is somewhere further down from that. Okay, so another kick you guys may have seen him do is in kickboxer. Hey! Which is exactly what we're gonna do in this video. How to be the best kicker part 4. Okay, so this is the kick I'm gonna start with. I'm not gonna snap today. I'm not gonna jump. I already did stretch kicks. I already did semi-jump stretch kicks, real stretch kicks in the last 3 videos. This video, we're still not gonna snap in a way that you get knee wear and tear, which is the point of these videos, is to not get knee wear and tear and be able to kick every day for the next 7 days. I have 3 days down. Which means I have 4 more to go. What I'm gonna do is a kick Van Damme does in kickboxing, that front kick I just told you guys about. The difference between him and me though is I'm gonna do everything with both legs, Mr. Jean-Claude Van Damme. Here we go. And front kick. Hold. Other leg. Okay. Now, so you guys may have guessed, next kick is the roundhouse kick. Here we go. Okay, so that was the roundhouse kick. With the front kick, with the roundhouse kick, and you guys guess what's next? The side kick. Last two. Again, I can't help myself from snapping out that once in a while. So, that was front kick hold, roundhouse hold, side kick hold. You guys guess what's next? Spinning kick hold. Here we go. How do we do that? Well, we turn, spin it, and hold it. And then snap it. Spin, turn, hold it, snap it. Two more. Spin, hold, snap it. Spin, hold, snap it. But it's not a real snap because I'm not putting that whip into the knees. Okay, so we did front kick. We did roundhouse kick. We did side kick. We did spinning kick. And last but not least, I'm going to do the spin up my stamina and my legs because I was sick for 2 weeks. So I'm training every day this week, and I'm going to show you guys now. I'm showing you guys with these videos how to train every day and minimize knee wear and tear. So now I've trained 4 days straight without snapping the kicks. See, you don't always have to snap. You should leave that to like your last day that you train before you take a break 2 days. Then you should snap, then rest, then go back to it. Okay, so first day, I did all stretch kicks standing. Second day, I did stretch kicks jumping off one leg, landing on the other leg. Third day, I did real jump kicks, even Van Damme kicks, the split kick, all that. And the fourth day today, you guys just seen, is leg holding kicks. All the basic leg holding kicks. Front kick, roundhouse kick, side kick, spinning wheel kick. Of course, there's more. There's a spinning back side kick. There's more kicks I could do, but I'm not gonna do them today. I'm gonna save those for the 5th video. But not least, I recently saw Kris Van Damme's interview with Viking Samurai. I hadn't seen it yet. It's been 2 years, but with Viking Samurai, told me, oh, he came, responded and said you're wrong. I honestly didn't give a shit because no one cares about Kris Van Damme. Who cares about Kris Van Damme? Nobody even knows who the fuck he is. So, but he allegedly said that I'm wrong, that he didn't want to get into acting and all that because it's corrupt and because it's toxic and blah, 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 blah. And Van Damme did put me in many movies. What movies, fool? A bunch of B movies that nobody saw. Like, get real, dog. When I'm saying that Van Damme should have made you to a star, I mean like Brandon Lee level famous. Like Brandon Lee level legendary. Brandon Lee was building his own name away from his father's shadow. Everybody knows who Bruce Lee is. Everybody knows who Brandon Lee is. Lately, these last few days, bro, a lot of people don't know who Van Damme is anymore. I talk to young people all the time. You know who Van Damme is? Nobody fucking knows. You mention Bruce Lee, anybody knows who he is. Brandon Lee, everybody knows who he is. And Kris Van Damme, nobody knows who the fuck you are, bro. And the reason is, like, you can't act. You have no fucking talent. But Van Damme should have put you in theater school from a young age. And he should have put you in martial arts at a high level. Okay? But he didn't. Your level sucks. Like, you're not as good as your dad, bro. Your dad is better than you, and your dad already sucks. So it's like, and then Kris Van Damme went on to say about how he's actually good, how he actually formally trained, how he fucking competed. Where are the images, bro? I want to see you fight. I want to see you spar. You know? And then, just the fact that you had the balls to go against what I said, obviously you're looking for some kind of beef, dog, and I get, let's say I believe your bullshit about Hollywood. Let's say I believe it, which I don't. Let's say I believe your Hollywood bullshit. I don't. I think you're just a spoiled brat who doesn't want to put in the work. And I've seen a few videos with you and Van Damme where you look coked out of your ass too, just like your dad. Like, yeah, the apple doesn't fall that far from the tree, right? You're just a cokehead like your dad. You don't want to fight like your dad. You don't want to be legendary like your dad. Like real legendary. Like actually put in the real word that Bruce Lee put in. The word that Brandon Lee put in. Like Brandon Lee and Bruce Lee are way better than both of you motherfuckers combined. Like way better. I'm just saying, like you just can't compare. These guys could act and fight. You guys can't act and you can't fight. Logical, right? I mean, but since you had a problem with what I said, and you can say all you want that a friend of yours told you you should go and blah blah blah. It's your dad that fucking told you to come on the fucking Viking Samurai channel. Stop lying, bitch. It was your dad that told you. It was your dad that greenlit it. He doesn't want to do it himself because he asked a lot of money, and that's why he's not gonna do it himself. And you guys may wonder, why did I wait so long to watch that video? Why did I wait 2 years? Life's all about timing, guys. Timing. It's like a kick. When you're fighting, you wait for the guy to throw a kick, then you counter him. Bah! You knock him out. That's timing. Same thing with this. I was waiting for Viking Samurai to get more followers, make more Frank Dukes videos, have Kris Van Damme on and all that bullshit. And by the time I exposed Viking Samurai for the bullshitter that he is after he made a few movies, which was my plan, let him make a few movies, then I'll expose him for the bullshit that he is. Why do I do this? It's strategic. I read the Art of War. It's my fucking Bible. The higher you go, the harder you fall. So basically, if I would have caught Viking Samurai early, this would have happened. Boom, his channel would have crashed right away and he would have probably not have been in movies. But I let him grow, I let him bullshit for like 2 years straight, talk shit about me in the comments, whatever. And then out of nowhere, when he was least expecting after he made his movies, boom, I hit him hard. Same thing here with Kris Van Damme and Van Damme and Viking Samurai. Do you guys really think Kris Van Damme is gonna come on now to debate what I'm saying here? He won't, you know why? Because I'm challenging you to fight, you little bitch. You and me, come on. I've challenged everybody already. You say you can fight, you say you competed. Put your money where your mouth is, bitch. Yeah, everyone who talks about me ends up regretting it, fool. I bet you now you're regretting that you went on Viking Samurai running your mouth. What I said about Van Damme is fucking accurate. The guy doesn't want anybody to be better than him. How do you know? He didn't even want to like talk to the Green Ranger, who was a fan of his, who got good, who was in a movie. He didn't want to have nothing to do with him. Why? Why? Why is he still not on Viking Samurai's channel? Why is Van Damme not on Viking Samurai channel? The money. But he probably doesn't like Viking Samurai. Van Damme doesn't like people kicking like him or sort of like him. And I must say Viking Samurai gets pretty close to kicking like Van Damme. He's just not quite there. He's almost there, not quite there. If he would have formally trained with like me or somebody else who would have maybe got to the Van Damme level, he can definitely get to Van Damme's level of kicking because Van Damme's level is not impressive. But it's not anywhere near a real black belt like me or a real master like me. You guys are not masters. You guys are not even real fucking black belts. Yeah, you guys are fucking point fighters, if anything at all. You know, it's another thing. You know, they're fucking point fighters. So if you guys want to see Tom Haring's opinion on Van Damme, Tom Haring is the godfather of kickboxing, probably one of the only people who've seen him fight. Click on the link above. If you guys want to see Tom Haring's opinion on Bruce Lee, click on this link here. If you guys want to see me outkick movie stars, click this link here. And if you guys want to see a playlist of me fighting with a cartel member and how I survived my time as a bouncer in Mexico in the most dangerous city in the world, click on this one below. That'll be it for this video, guys. So the next video. Catch you later.